Good afternoon. It's now day 9 for me, isolation, and I spent the first week, which the weather was beautiful, doing some video outside with the M50 because I bought the adapter, which I can't show you because I'm using it on the camera at the moment. So I've been using my 100 to 400 lens on the M50 and the 100 macro lens I've got as well to do some video out in the garden. Birds, the insects, things like that. I'll leave them off. So I'll put a little bit of that on there. There's been nothing spectacular, just the standard stuff really, nothing. I've had a female black cap visiting the garden recently and I still haven't managed to get a picture or video of her. So that's my task. Today's going to be really cloudy. So what I've done, I've set myself up in the house, and down the garden I'll show you there's a tree that we pruned earlier in the year, and there's just one of the trunks is cut off level, so I've just put some food on there and just seen what turns up really, so I can get it nicely framed in the image. And then just to the other side I've got my feeders, so hopefully something will turn up on there. So it's nothing spectacular, just a case of recording what's in the garden really. I think like most people are doing at the moment. I've only been out a couple of times just to walk the dog. I'm not going out with my camera because I think that's unnecessary at the moment, obviously. But hopefully that situation will change over the coming weeks and we can get out of it. But for now, it's just a case of seeing what turns up in the garden, really. And it is surprising what actually does turn up. So I'm just going to sit here and wait, really. I've got not a lot else to do at the moment, so we'll see how that goes.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back.
Well, good morning. Day 11. I think I said 9 yesterday. I meant 10. Lost count. Anyway, not much to show yesterday. I had a pair of bullfinches on there, blue tit, usual stuff, and a squirrel. So not much from yesterday, but the good thing about having all this time is that I've been through all the menu settings on my camera and reviewed all those and read the info, trying to learn a bit more about my camera, which is good. The other good thing was I've cleaned the windows on the door because yesterday it was quite cold. I was shutting the door, so I realised how dirty your windows are, so I've managed to clean them as well. So this is going to be my hide as such. I don't want to do that really, for the foreseeable future. As you can see, I'm wearing my camouflage pastels again, which actually, when I think about it, they do kind of match the kitchen, so in a sort of perverse way it is actually camouflage. There's a thing I didn't realise until I thought about that. So yeah, so we'll see what comes up today then. The other thing I've worked out as well is that having the extender on, 1.4 extender, which I was using yesterday, actually interferes with some of the functions of the camera, because I've got set up on the back. I use back button focus, so the two buttons I've got, one set up for the centre point AF, the small one, and then the next one along I've got set up for the centre point and the surrounding 9 points for birds in flight, so I've got a bigger range. But I noticed that with this on, that 9 point focusing doesn't work, and it was driving me mad. That's why I went through all my settings. I couldn't work out what it was. I took this off, works fine. So just another thing I've learnt, which is good. Learning is always good. We've got plenty of time, so there you go.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Well, day Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Right, day 12. Sorry I'm out of breath. I've been running up and down the stairs to grab my camera. I'm in my office at the moment, and I'm looking through the window into a field next door, but one's back garden joins onto it, and there's been an absolutely stunning fox in the field. I managed to get a bit of video, and I've just swapped my camera now back onto the 5D to try and get some stills, but he's disappeared for now. So, oh my god, I don't know what to say. I'm slightly out of breath because I'm really unfit, running up and down the stairs, but God, it's been worth it. What a magnificent, stunning creature. Hopefully I'll get some images, and what a way to round up this first video of the isolation anyway. I was going to upload it or edit it tonight, but I'm glad I've got this now, so what a way to finish off, and hopefully I can get some stills before the day's out. Oh, wow, fantastic.